but February made me shiver with every postcard I delivered. Church bells were all broken, not a word was spoken. All right. Okay, everything's A-okay. On my way to where the air is new. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. NANABOOZHOO. Welcome to NANABOOZHOO. Yeah. Mino Gigajeb. Good morning. It's 5:43 in the AM, and I've already been up for about an hour. I like to get up early in the morning, make some coffee, go sit on my throne, think about life. How are you this morning? Let's see, today is Sunday. That means it is the prayer day. In the OJIBWE language, we call Sunday Anama E Gija Good. Anama E Gija Good. It is prayer day. And I think that's probably just the Anishinaabe way of saying it's church day. Because Sunday is typically the day you go to, traditionally, where you'd go to church. I've always had this theory that got started in the boarding school. When they were naming days, they were like, well, Saturdays are floor washing day, Sundays are prayer day, Mondays are the day after prayer day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is Abatuse, is halfway, you get halfway through the week. But these were all just sort of defining the days of the week based on this new lifestyle. So, Sunday, prayer day, pray. I pray thee. Whenever you read those old books, and like Shakespeare, people are always saying pray. I pray thee, wish not one man more. By my host. I didn't really learn much in college. I stupidly majored in English literature. I mean, what difference does it make, really? But when you're an English major, you just, read books you would never read for yourself, like Shakespeare, or poetry. And the stuff would be just really dense, from a time that nobody understands, and it's almost set up to make you feel stupid. But I learned to appreciate Shakespeare, just the language being kind of like music, Let's see. This is from Henry V. Let me see how much I can remember. What say ye, my cousin? See, I don't remember any of it. Pray ye wish not one man more. By my host. It's a speech he gives. If we are marked to die, we are enough to do our country loss. But to live, but to see this day, I can't do it. If I could read it, I could, Anyway. What do I remember from college? Okay, here's a poem by W.B. Yeats. Wine comes in at the mouth, and love comes in at the eye. This is all we will know for truth before we grow old and die. I lift the glass to my mouth I look at you and I sigh. It was called A Drinking Song. And you know what? It's fine. It's not worthy of teaching or celebrating, this man's genius. There are 1,000 rock and roll lyrics that are more cleverly constructed. I was thinking about ABC. You'll find it funny with your finger running down the situation's maker. This rusted, busted, upper crusted, rusted, busted, done undusted, no man to be trusted, United Kingdom, God to stand beneath the Union Jack, happy dealing up a no-win hand, polishing black boots, strutting around, not there for I, but for the grace of God. Polishing your something with modest entertainment, you'll be happy when they're ripping up the pavement. La 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 la. Someone said, love knows no boundaries. United Kingdom, you got solutions. You better bring them. I don't know. But the English, let's face it, you guys, they've been using English for generations longer than we have. So some of those guys make really good poets. And, for whatever that's worth. What is it worth to be able to speak beautifully? I mean, what are they really doing? Just trying to impress us? Or is it an art form? And what is art? I think art, the expression of whatever. I'm not sure what I'm trying to say. How long has this been? I'm probably going off on a tangent that no one's going to be interested in. But I kind of wanted to check this new microphone. All right. Let's call this a show, just in case I use it. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. Gitchi Manadu. No, Anama E Gija Gud. Prayer day. That's what we call Sunday. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and my early morning ramblings and analyzing my own college experience. Should you go to college? Here's my question. Should you go to college anymore? What's the point? I'm not going to go back, I tell you that much. Thanks for watching. Gigawabamin, min, minoa. I will see you again. I think I forgot to tell jokes. This one isn't very funny, it's so stupid. I heard the thunder beings last night. Yeah. Anamakika. Thunderbirds. Or thunder. It is thundering. Anamakika. You got something about you. You've got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as the one before the god of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Anamakika! It is thundering. That's what it's like when Michael Lyons plays the guitar. Okay, hey, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Woo!
Let's hear it. There it is. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again.
GOFUNDME.
Minowa. Hawa.
Hawa. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. All right, let's see how that looks.